Start recording. Stop recording. Button.
Oh my. Oh, that's brighter than I thought. Considering it's rained almost all day. Uh, Horizon over the beautiful Ozark Mountains. Wow. Alright, come here. Where's my dog? Come here. Oh, come on, go down here. Let's see what can get a view from down here. Oh yeah, here we go. Right. Of course, I get the good part toward the end. Let's see. Wow, looks dark with my eyes. I go through here and it's bright, even to my east. Wow. I guess that's what. I hope you all get something out of this because I'm legally blind and I don't get to see all the colors and contours out of this. So I don't know how pretty it is or not being legally blind and having cataracts. On top of that, all I see is brightness and the trees, and that's only through the phone. Because without the phone, I don't even see the trees. But anyway, I guess that'll do for this one.